Now I'm going to assume you got to this point because you know your circuit board's done, or you saw a burn mark on here somewhere. Now I'm just going to show you a quick video on what numbers you need and what to do when you call in somewhere to get a new circuit board. Now, the numbers on the transformer, don't worry about the numbers that are on the transformer. What the numbers you want are going to be printed, either they're going to be printed right on the circuit board itself, or they're going to lay down a sticker. Now this one here has the sticker right here. And I'll show you near the end of the video here, I'll show you what each one means. So there's a little sticker here. Sometimes you need these numbers here where it says, this one here has Balboa. They'll stamp their name on it. So, and sometimes they'll have the VS, this is a VS 100. Normally there's a bigger sticker on here, but it's any numbers right on it, like the stickers that are right on the board, or information or numbers on the board. That's the numbers you're going to use when you call in. Don't worry about a sticker on the transformer. Now, if it's on one of these black relays, that's what you want. Like this style here has a sticker right on the relays. So that's going to be part of the information. Now on this one here, this one's a Gecko. You're going to use this number here. Now again, it's going to be everything on the board itself. Don't worry about this sticker here. This is an example of what you need. Now the numbers 1 to 3, you need all those. Doesn't matter what type of pack you have. My pictures there are just, it's for a Balboa pack. But you might have a different pack, but you need the numbers 1, 2, and 3. So it gives you a general idea of what you need and what to look for. Now if this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.